How to make a classic potato salad. Start by boiling the potatoes for 15 minutes or until tender. Then cook the bacon in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes or until it's crispy. Transfer the bacon to a plate lined with paper towel. Now for the eggs. Boil them for 7 minutes if you want them to be soft boiled, or just cook them to your liking. To stop the eggs from overcooking, quickly transfer them to a bowl of iced water to cool. This keeps the egg yolks creamy. To assemble the potato salad, place the potato and bacon in a large bowl. Add celery, spring onions, dill cucumbers, capers, chopped dill and chives. Stir to combine. Place the mayo in a bowl and add sour cream, anchovy, garlic, horseradish, mustard and vinegar. Whisk to combine and season with salt and pepper. To dress the potato salad, just drizzle over the creamy horseradish mayo and toss to combine. Now all you need to do is peel the eggs. Thickly slice them and arrange the potato salad and egg on a serving platter. This tasty German-style potato salad is a great choice for entertaining, from picnics to barbecues or to any time you're asked to bring a plate. For more easy salads to make, take and share, head to our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, click here to subscribe.